Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp in an iPhone. So let's begin. As you can see, I already have a WhatsApp account right over here. So this account is already active and ongoing. However, if I want another account, I can simply use WhatsApp Business, which is available in the App Store. You can simply click agree and continue. Then you can simply use your previous number, or you can click on use a different number. If you select use a different number, then here you will be able to use another different number, which will help you to create another account in your another number. But if you don't feel like using a business account, then you can also use a personal account. I'll also show you how to do that. So I'm going to get out of WhatsApp Business, and then I'm going to go to Safari. In Safari, go to web.whatsapp.com. Now click on this sign right over here, and then click on triple dot, and then click on request desktop site. So this will be the WhatsApp web version, and in WhatsApp web version you can either link to your existing WhatsApp account, and if you click on login with phone number, you can just simply select any other number except your own number too, and then you will be able to use WhatsApp in web mode. I also want this to act as an application, so I will click on the share icon, and then I will click on add to home screen. So I'll click on add, and then it will be acting as a separate application. Whenever I click this application, I will be redirected to WhatsApp web. Thus, this web page will act as an application, which is not very convenient as WhatsApp Business. So you can use WhatsApp Business if you want to use two WhatsApps in iPhone, but if you absolutely have to use personal account, then you can use this method to use two WhatsApps in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.